We're here at 137 Main Street, parking garage, Crocker Park in Westlake, Ohio. It's another Schindler HT. Of course, every elevator at Crocker Park is a Schindler. .137 Main Street. As you can see, here's Crocker Park out there. Should be on its way up. Here it is. Let's go down to 1. Let's get a cab view. Pretty much just like every other Crocker Park garage. Ozzy's 3,500 pounds. Here, 1. Let's go to 4. Door closes, does not work on Schindler. All right, here we go. Here, 4. Watch it close. And that's it.